Welcome back to episode 3 of Pokemon Family Pulls, where I let my son open up at least one pack of Pokemon cards every single day. Today we are going to continue along with the Journey Together ETB that we opened up yesterday. Again, we're looking for the Clefairy. And Levi, is there any specific card you were looking for?
Yes, a Charizard.
You're looking for a Charizard. I don't know if that one's in this set.
Okay.
What is your favorite Pokemon?
Charizard, since I just said a Charizard.
Well, we're just checking. Sometimes it changes. All right, let's get into this with pack 1. Good job remembering the QR code. Again, that's for anyone who uses those. We do not.
Oops.
Vesta. Beldum.
These cards, it's very hard.
Torkoal. Articuno. Postwick.
I don't know if there's a
Cloth. Pangoro. Pancham, and Reshiram. Nice pull, bud.
Yeah, we already have this card. We have a lot of cards like this.
That's okay.
Like the second pack, we always get a good card.
Paris.
Ooh.
And a Wailord. That's a great card, bud. I like that one.
Yeah, I think it can one-shot a Charizard. Is that true?
I do not know, bud.
It can. I mean, I don't know, but I think it can.
And ending with a Hops Double. Another great card. I like that one.
Put that guy at the top.
Thank you. And for everyone who has followed this channel, we appreciate it. Please continue to like our videos. That will help us immensely. And if you enjoy these and you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.